Hi, I'm John Reed. I'm the owner of Viewpoint Design and Installation. Viewpoint offers cabinets, countertops, wall tile, flooring, design services, installation, and also project management, both for the new construction side of the business as well as remodel side. After being in the business for 20 plus years, I just saw that there was more to what was already out there. Many people are affiliated or associated with Home Depot or Lowe's. Well, that service level we feel we can provide better. So as we like to say around here, we try to provide a level of concierge service. For those that have been around Winter Garden, been part of Winter Garden for any period of time and really get to know the people, gosh, it just doesn't take long to really understand and learn that this is a community where people look out for each other, help each other. I think what I enjoy most about is actually fulfilling someone's dream or fulfilling someone's vision. For the homeowners that are out there, certainly that is where their safety, their security, where their memories are made, everything that they work for tends to also be in that home, whether it's their children or their own partners. And to be able to take that dream, to be able to turn that into a reality in areas, especially in the kitchen, where so many memories are made, homework is done, meals are made, parties are had, to be able to actually fulfill that for them is really, really rewarding when it's all said and done. So if you're in the market for a remodel, choose Viewpoint. From inspiration to installation, we've got you covered.